Assalamu alaikum everyone. Our today's topic is about leading questions. Can a party put leading question to his own witness? If so, when? According to Article 137 of Qanoon shahdat order, a party can ask leading questions to his own witness if they are not objected by the other side. Following are the exceptions to the rule that leading questions should not be asked in examination in chief or in re-examination. Exception number 1. Leading questions may be asked as to introductory or undisputed matters or as to matters sufficiently proved. Exception number 2. Leading questions as to the identity of persons or things may be allowed. Exception number 3. Leading questions may be allowed to ask a witness to contradict another witness as to expressions used by the latter. Leading questions may be allowed to assist the memory of witness. Exception number 5. The rules forbidding questions may in certain circumstances be relaxed where the witness is wanting in understanding, for example whether the witness is a child, invalid or perhaps illiterate. Exception number 6. Leading questions may be put to a witness where the witness appears to be hostile to the party calling him or interested for another party or unwilling to give evidence. If you like the video, then consider subscribing my channel. Thanks.